Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering the headset off and removing cables so nothing shorts. Once done, position the right ear cup with the hinge facing you. The seam sits along the lower edge. Use a thin plastic pry tool or guitar pick and insert at about 1-2 mm. Do not force. You're separating clips, not breaking plastic, so twist gently while sliding the tool along the seam. This prevents stress on the housing and exposes the inner bezel safely. Once the bezel is open, locate and remove the small screws holding the speaker/digital board. A PH00 or T5 driver usually fits. Then lift the driver assembly carefully. You'll see a thin ribbon cable. Observe its orientation and how it locks. Use a plastic spudger to release the connector by flipping the latch or sliding the tab about 0.5 to 1 cm. You do this slowly to avoid tearing the ribbon or damaging solder joints. Those are the To finish, realign the driver and press the ribbon into its socket, ensuring the latch clicks. This restores signal and power. Reseat the driver, reinstall screws with even torque, then snap the housing closed starting at the hinge and working toward the seam to engage clips. Once reassembled, power on and test audio. If it won't power, reopen and verify ribbon seating and battery connector continuity. A poor connection is the most common issue, and usually the quick fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.